For 14 years, ASTEP teaching artists have staged plays, painted murals, and choreographed original dances with children in classrooms all over the world.
The support of donors like you make it possible for ASTEP to partner with communities like Abraham House in the Bronx, the Refugee Youth Summer Academy here in New York City, and Shanti Bhavan Children's School in India, helping to impact the lives of thousands of children here and across the world.
Well, then there was 2020, and suddenly we were like, what now? Now that we can't meet the children that we serve in classrooms or auditoriums or dance studios like we're used to, how will we show up for them in this moment of crisis? Well, here's what we learned in 2020. Artists excel in moments of crisis.
I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Philip.
And we are part of the ASTEP artist family.
We met at an ASTEP program where their values of artistic excellence and social impact helped inspire us to create our duo, Archive.
In this difficult time, we've responded through an initiative called Support NYC, where we provide fundraising concerts for small businesses and nonprofits in New York City and beyond.
As artists, we knew we had to think creatively about how to adapt to the moment and use our art to reach communities in need, just like ASTEP taught us.
As ASTEP shifted with the rest of the world due to the pandemic, we maintained close contact with the children we serve through our community partners, making sure we were providing what was needed most. If it was remote learning, we provided virtual classes. For those students who couldn't join us virtually, we distribute creative activity kits to engage them in art-based activities they can enjoy on their own. And when it turned out to be food that was needed most, we partnered with suppliers to deliver fresh and nutritious food to our friends at Abraham House in the South Bronx.
ASTEP has been a valuable, or should I say invaluable, partner to Abraham House throughout the last several years, providing music, dance, those type of services for our children in our after-school program. Obviously, during the pandemic, all of that has stopped. ASTEP stepped in during that time and provided us with food, very, very much needed food. We cannot say enough how much that has meant to us.
So here we are at the end of 2020. We have no idea what is coming our way in 2021, but we do know that whatever comes, we will be meeting that moment as artists with creativity and innovation. Please consider supporting the kids that we work with by making a donation to ASTEP.